Hello once again. A fellow YouTuber, the Main Man channel, done a review the other day on a BB gun. I'm going to do one. Right here we have Legends Waffenfabrik. I don't know. Hell, I can't speak German. Whole thing right here. All metal design. Now this is a 177 caliber BB gun. It is unloaded. Little BB gun. All metal construction, weighs 3.55 pounds. CO2 operated. Got an 18 shot mag. Now this thing right here, little lever here, you pull this down to load your BBs in here. But to load the air canister, the CO2 canister, you unscrew the mag at the bottom. You put that in there. And you somehow screw it back in. And of course, like anything else, you're going to have a little gas leak when you screw this in here. And I have somewhere, Allen wrench. You screw that old thing in there to fire thing up. Now this right here, get your hammer at cocks back and your safety. On and off, off and on. Opens up, like the real deal. Let your sights elevate. On this, here's the fun part. You got an N and an R on it. When you put this thing in, now this is unloaded. Cock that back, and of course you pull that back, charge you go. That's in R, or in, that's in. Now if you put this thing in R, it goes to full automatic. Now as you can see, little CO2 canister does not last too long. Of course, you just got 18 shots in that thing. The CO2 canisters ain't gonna matter much anyway. Anyway, you got semi-automatic and full automatic. This thing is pretty damn sweet. Like I said, it's all metal construction. I dropped this thing on my big toe one time back at the hospital. You can get these on eBay. I think I got this from the name brand sporting store. I can't even think now where I bought this thing. About $100. The model is a 2251807. That thing's still smoking out of the barrel. Fun little toys to play with. Like I said, it's for the price and enjoyment. It's what you need right here. Of course, they do not have the little orange tip on them, as some people like to say.